Well, I bet everyone's making that gift list. Well, I am at Terra Casa with Diana, and she has got some great ideas for maybe the fellow in our lives. So what about these wonderful clocks?
Well, so this is a great gift, I think, for a guy. These are themed. We have race car wheel, we have the great submarine, there's airplane, the little old-fashioned TV. These are they're just fun. There's gears used in them, and I don't know, I was fascinated by them, and I'm getting one, maybe don't tell anyone, I'm getting one for my son for Christmas. Aww. So, I don't know, I just think it's really it's elegant and very nice to give a man for a gift for Christmas.
And I love that they're the old-fashioned clocks. Mm-hmm. I mean, I think that we're all done with the LEDs or whatever. And this, yes. I don't know, it's something that's timeless because it's the old-fashioned that you have to tell the time with the hands.
And it's a piece of art too.
It
yes,
is. Very much.
They're very, and we have a robot back here too. He's very
clever.
Cute. Yes, he's got wrenches for arms.
That
so
is very
they're
clever.
fun. I think it's going to be a great gift item. There's business card holders and little figurines as well.
Really a nice collection to choose from. And then we're going to go to another part of the store. You have some other gifts for maybe the girls that you need to buy
definitely
gifts for.
The girls,
all
yes.
Right. Diana, this section here is filled with gift ideas, so please tell us about a few.
So I'm really into the girlfriend gift thing, and I have dubbed this the year of the cocktail for obvious reasons. So we have quite a few new things. There's a new food called Eat Your Drink. Oh. And these are cocktail flavored gummies that actually have a little bit of booze in them, and you can put them in your pocket and take them with you if you're going somewhere. Along with that, we have the wonderful theme wine glasses for birthdays and girlfriends and all kinds of fun things. Brewmate is one of our best-selling hydration lines. They do martini glasses and sippers, and there's just a lot of really fun little gifty things in this area.
And I love the coffee mugs and the flour sack towels, so tell us about those.
So we like to laugh. We need to laugh. And there's a lot of new flour sack towels having to do with quarantine, the COVID thing. Just a lot of really fun things to give as stocking stuffers, as gifts for girlfriends, moms, sisters, and we try to have a very nice selection for your good friends.
You do, and like you said, we have to laugh, and who else can you laugh with but your friends, right?
Exactly.
Well, when you come out to Terra Casa, there's so many lovely things and fun things. You know, you're all going to be laughing when you're opening those gifts on Christmas morning. So please go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the Terra Casa website and find out how to get out here. But please come out and enjoy all the things that they have for the holiday season. Thanks so much, Diana.
Thank you, Judy.